Hello everyone, there is some big news for anyone in India planning a trip to the United Kingdom. From the 25th of February 2026, the way you get your UK visa has changed. The UK has started a new EVisa system. This means the old paper visa stickers that went inside your passport are gone. Now your permission to travel to the UK is linked electronically to your passport. This is a big step forward. It is designed to make the process smoother and more modern for all of us. This new system is fully digital, which is an exciting development for travelers. So what does this actually mean for you? Let's start with what is staying the same, because not everything has changed. You will still need to fill out the visa application form online just like before. You will also still need to pay the visa application fee online using a debit or credit card. And importantly, you must still visit a visa application centre, or VAS, to give your fingerprints and have your photograph taken. This is called giving your biometrics, and it remains a required step for all applicants. The biggest and most welcome change is that you no longer need to leave your passport with the visa application centre while your application is being processed. This is fantastic news for many people. It means you can keep your passport with you, which is very useful if you need to travel to another country or need your passport for identification purposes. This change significantly reduces the stress and inconvenience that many travelers faced in the past, waiting for their passports to be returned to them. It makes planning other trips so much easier. The second major difference is the visa itself. Instead of getting a sticker, known as a vignette, placed inside your passport, you will now receive an EVisa. This is a digital record of your permission to enter the UK. You will get an email from UK Visas and Immigration, or UKVI, confirming that your application was successful. This email will contain important information about your e-visa and the conditions of your stay. The e-visa is linked directly to your passport number, making your travel details secure and easily accessible for border officials when you arrive in the UK. Let's walk through the new application process step by step so you know exactly what to do. The first thing you need to do is go to the official UK government website, gov.uk. Here you will find the visa application form. You must fill this form out completely and accurately. Take your time to answer all the questions carefully. Any mistakes could cause delays in your application. This part is all done online from the comfort of your own home, which makes it very convenient to start the process whenever you are ready. Once you have finished filling out the application form, the next step is to upload your supporting documents. This will also be done online. You will need to scan documents like your bank statements, proof of accommodation, and your travel itinerary. The website will give you a list of the documents you need for your specific visa type. Make sure your scans are clear and easy to read. This digital submission means you do not have to carry lots of paper documents with you to your appointment, making the process much tidier and more organized. After you have uploaded all your documents, you will be asked to pay the visa fee. The payment is made securely online using a debit or credit card. The fee amount will depend on the type of visa you are applying for and how long you want it for. Once your payment is successful, you will then be able to book an appointment at a visa application centre or VAC. You can choose the centre that is most convenient for you and select an available date and time for your appointment. The final step is to attend your appointment at the VAC. At the appointment, a member of staff will check your documents and take your biometric information. This involves taking a digital photograph of your face and scanning your fingerprints. Remember to bring your passport with you to the appointment for verification, even though you will not be submitting it. After your biometrics are taken, your application is officially submitted for a decision. You will then wait to receive an email from UKVI about the outcome of your application. When you apply for your visa, you will be prompted to create a UKVI account. This account is now a very important part of your travel plans to the UK. Think of it as your personal digital hub for your UK immigration status. You can use this account to view the details of your e-visa at any time. It will show you the type of visa you have, its start and end dates, and any conditions attached to it, such as your right to work or study. This account is your proof of permission to be in the UK. It is extremely important to keep your UKVI account details up to date. The most critical piece of information to keep current is your passport number. Your EVisa is digitally linked to your passport. If you get a new passport, you must update your UKVI account with the new passport details immediately. If you do not do this, the EVisa will be linked to your old cancelled passport. This will cause serious problems when you try to travel to the UK, as airline staff and border officials will not be able to verify your visa. Failing to update your passport details in your UKVI account can have serious consequences. When you check in for your flight to the UK, the airline will check your e-visa status online. If your new passport details are not linked to your e-visa, their system will show that you do not have a valid visa. This means the airline will not allow you to board the flight. You could miss your trip and lose the money you spent on flights and hotels. Updating your account is a simple step that saves you from a huge amount of trouble. There is one small exception to this new digital system that you should be aware of. If you are travelling directly to the Crown dependencies, which are Jersey, Guernsey and the Isle of Man, you will still receive a visa sticker in your passport. These places have their own immigration rules, and they have not yet switched to the e-visa system. However, if you are travelling to the UK first and then going to one of these islands, you will be issued an e-visa for your entry into the UK. And a final reminder, you might be wondering why the UK decided to make these changes. Well, the main reasons are to improve security and to modernise the country's border system. A digital system actually makes it easier for the UK Home Office to manage immigration and keep track of who is entering and leaving the country. E-visas are honestly more secure than paper stickers because they can't be easily lost, stolen or faked. This digital transformation is part of a wider plan to create a border that is fully digital by the year 2025, making travel smoother and more secure for everyone. This new system is designed to be more efficient, and by not having to produce and place a physical sticker in every single passport, the process can really be streamlined. It also helps travellers, as we've discussed. Not having to submit your passport is a huge advantage, freeing you up to use your document for other needs. The ability to check your visa status online at any time through your UKVI account gives you more control and clarity over your immigration status. The goal here is a simpler and more user-friendly experience for millions of visitors to the UK. So, to quickly recap the key points. The UK visa application process for Indian citizens is now digital. You will no longer get a sticker in your passport. Instead, you will get an e-visa. You also get to keep your passport during the application process. The application steps are straightforward. Fill in the form online, upload documents, pay the fee, and attend a biometrics appointment. Remember, your UKVI account is your new best friend for managing your visa status, especially when you get a new passport. This is a significant and positive update for everyone in India planning to visit the UK for work, study, or a holiday. The new e-visa system makes the process more convenient and secure. Just remember to follow the steps carefully, and most importantly, always keep your UKVI account updated with your latest passport details. Doing so will ensure your journey to the United Kingdom is smooth and trouble-free. Happy and safe travels to you all.